our YouTube channel. See you in Seju. So today we are going to visit for the very first time Baps Mandir of India, inaugurated by the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. So we are en route to Abu Dhabi. See you guys there. Yay! So stoppage in the middle of the road in this petrol pump. Is stoppage and finally stoppage is always that karak chai. Chai bane cheez se ke hola yahi.
छुट्टी होने आज छुट्टी म त अब त
नानीहरुलाई चिप्स पानी मिठाई सो अझै आधी घण्टा छ रे
त्यो अब फ्रेट कम्पनीहरुले गर्दिन्छ फ्रेट कम्पनी
It's a parking. This is the parking area. There seems to be a lot of cars. It is, what's the time? 12:30. So we are here finally. The Baps Mandir for the very first time. हामी आइपुग्यो.
Hi guys.
Almost कति घण्टाको बाटो आपा?
1 hour 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes को बाटो नानीहरुसित चाहिँ.
Thankfully my sunglasses have power in them so I don't kill anyone.
So this is the parking area. आज चाहिँ घाम डर लाग्दो लागिरहेको छ फेरि.
Hi guys, whoever comes to Baps Mandir, please make sure you do their registration online. It's free entry, but you have to register each and everyone's ID with date of birth and all the details. In Baps Mandir app from Play Store or Apple Store. So this is the process. We did not know, so we are doing it for 8 person.
So finally we are here and there is a lot of protocols to be followed. No? So finally we are here and this is we have to come here only. So guys, a small information. Now we are inside the entrance. We're in the entrance. So the small piece of information which nobody gave us was that when you come to Baps Mandir, do not bring anything with you because there are a lot of high security. They will not let you anything in. Sweets for the kids if you have small kids or any kind of eatables. Even water they don't give. I had a selfie stick, they didn't even give that. A GoPro, a power bank, even my sunscreen spray they didn't allow. So make sure that next time when you come, just come yourself, just wear your clothes, don't even get your bag and get your phone and come. So this piece of advice nobody gave us, so it was a little bit of harassment. So you know what you have to do guys next time. And plus you have to do your online check-in. You'll get a QR code. It's better to do that at home or in the car because we didn't have that idea, nobody told us. So that also you do it before you come. You just have to download the Baps Mandir app in your phone and then you register through that.
Guys, by the way, at least they allowed my chicken nugget, it's a toy, and my koala.
So after a lot of hassle, we finally get to see the main mandir.
And we're barefoot.
And we have to submit our shoes and walk barefoot. But it's too sunny. I don't know what happened today. Till yesterday it was nice, gloomy, airy. यो चाहिँ दुबईको ल्यान्डमा युएईको ल्यान्ड अबु धाबीमा चाहिँ Hindu temple in a Muslim country. This is a sign of diversity,
hospitality,
of prem. Beautiful. यहाँ चाहिँ कुमकुम पनि रहेछ सो यो कुमकुमले चाहिँ मैले पनि हल्का सिन्दुर लगाएँ सो अब चाहिँ
अल्लाह त्यो पहिला Lumia khiccha
More. I want one. Dinan, I want. Dinan one. I want to try one.
Wait, what do you want? Now we are making a round Abuche. Such a beautiful monuments, eh? All the intricate carvings and all. I believe everything is brought back from India. Each and every piece is brought back from India and assembled here. So beautiful. So whoever wishes to come to Abu Dhabi, this is one of your tourist spot. Even the property, it's massive. The UAE government gave a very massive property to India to build this structure. So it's like very hot now, but you can see this marble, it's made, you know, this is such kind of marble that no matter how hot it is, it'll never get hot. You say ekdamai natattine marble. It's a beautiful, serene. All the holy places actually, you know, it feels very peaceful and serene whenever you enter a temple, mandir, or a church, or a gurudwara, you know, or a mosque.
भाइ भित्र छिर्यो नि त्यो बारबाट खुट्टा पोलेर आएर पाकेको थ्याङ्क यू बेटा
Sissy, you want?
Yeah.
Come on. Look. Alright, let's go to eat now. So now we finished having a tour within the mandir, and now we are going to this orchard. This is basically a food court, washroom, whoever intends to come here hungry. So this is the food court. So that's a food court. Let's see, you get all vegetarian here. Only veggies here. So let's say dosa, pav bhaji, chole bhature. Where's Appa? Appa is there. See you. Kai, kahan gayo? Oh, they are coming. So let's see. You get all veggies here. So ke raisa?
यहाँ पल्ली डाल त्यहाँ समोसाहरू यहाँनिर ऱ्यापहरू अन्त उताको चाहिँ मेदुबडा
So you get all the desi foods here. Yeah, sabai desi food. You get all. This is the area for the cold stuffs, the juice, the ice creams, the faluda. The prices are also very reasonable. What do you want, Susan? What do you want?
Pizza.
Siona, what do you want?
Siona, what do you want? What is glasses?
Miley, I want hot dog.
No, glass it's already.
Come here. भाइले पनि खाँदैछ है भेलपुरी भाइ इज ह्याभिङ भेलपुरी सियोना सी
I want, I say. You do?
यो चाहिँ पापडी चाट भेलपुरी भेज स्यान्डविच ठन्डाई
Guys,
ठन्डाई भन्ने गाइस Seju, it's yummy or you want hot dog अरे
yummy.
Who are the first person on this? Very fast.
No, huh?
दादा त पसेलाई भित्रै बनाउनु आयो कि
That's not good.
You taste? और आ रहा है इधर अन्ना अन्ना दादालाई त हेर अन्नै देखेको
कुकुरले त खानु स्टार्ट गर्दैछ त
अन्ना क्या लायो अन्ना अन्ना
भाइको सेना थियो
कुल्चा रोल रहेछ है अझ उयोलाई पनि मगाइदिएन आमामा रुचेकै हो
प्रसाद
रुचेकै हो
दो मिठा खिचिए
You have a little brother. When you have a little brother, के हुन्छ डोनट्सहरू खाँदा पनि
You have to hide it from him. So that's why I'm not gonna eat it outside.
So सियोनाले चाहिँ donuts also she has to eat छिटो छिटो and inside because Seju is already gone there and Seju will ask, right? So you like being a elder sister? Especially when you have a naughty brother.
I'd rather be a sister of Agastyu because he's way more calmer.
Oh my god. So we'll swap.
Yes, please.
We'll give Sejun to Pupu and we'll take Abashu. Paps मन्दिरको टुर पनि सक्यो के भन्नुहुन्छ तपाईलाई? What do you have to say?
Nice. Feel
You liked
blessed.
it?
Nice.
You
Feel
enjoyed?
blessed. Feel
What do you have to say about this tour?
Amazing.
Amazing, you liked it? What was the most amazing part? What did you like?
It was enlightening. It was great. Great architecture.
How about you? के मन पर्यो तपाईलाई?
Tiles.
Tiles. Okay. And you?
Breaking it. I like everything.
So यसरी नै आजको दिन हाम्रो समाप्त हुन्छ एन्ड घामले चाहिँ आज पुरा ब्याड गर्यो So whoever wishes to come here, please don't come in summer because there are no shades. So and wear a lot of sunblocks and do not bring anything along with you because they will not let you in. Just your phone and yourself. And yeah, there are food courts. The prices are pretty reasonable, so you can eat here. And they will provide you waters inside. Even the water is not allowed. And yeah, so we are going back. We enjoyed this trip. And you guys also who's watching this video can come to Abu Dhabi, and this is one of the monuments, historical monuments, and a very tourist spot as well. So you all can come and visit. See you guys. Thank you for watching our vlog. See you and Seju. See you on the next vlog. Bye. Chop chop.